Okay, I will show you how to install the blade for the circular DeWalt. So first thing first is for sure you have to remove the battery. Then you have to press this mechanism, hold it, and tighten it. I guess it's counterclockwise. There you go. Then you can turn it by hand. Then you have to remove this plate, and then this instruction you have to remove it too. Then you have to take this blade. Doing so is you have to move this lever, move it like that. Then you have to put it that way. Then you have to put the locking plate. And then you have to get the locking screw. And you have to tie it the other way. It's the reverse tightening. There you go. So last part is just tightening make sure it's safely. So to tighten it, so to hold it in place, you have to press the locking mechanism. So press and hold, and then you tighten it. There you go. Make sure it's so that's how easy it is. So I guess this is the DC391 Dewalt cordless circular. So thank you.